Hello everybody, my presentation today will be on types of diabetes and the prevention of the disease by Ebele Onyanusi at Brandman University. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a serious disease that results from either the inability of the beta cells of pancreas to produce enough insulin or due to the failure of the body cells to effectively use the insulin produced by the beta cells of pancreas. Types of diabetes mellitus. Pre-diabetes condition is a state a patient will be before he or she is diagnosed with any type of diabetes and is a serious condition with blood sugar level higher than normal but not high enough to meet the diagnosis of type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is when the beta cells of pancreas produce little or no insulin and is commonly found in children. Type 2 diabetes is due to resistance of the body cells to insulin produced by the beta cells of pancreas. Gestational diabetes is the blood sugar above normal values but below the values used for the diagnosis of diabetes and occurs during pregnancy. Diabetic prevention. Diabetes prevention can be achieved and maintained with healthy body weight, be physically active, at least 30 minutes of regular exercise every day, eat healthy diet, avoiding sugar and saturated fat intake, and avoidance of tobacco use. I'm going to take you to World Health Organization key facts on diabetes. Diabetes prevalence has been rising more rapidly in the middle and low income countries. Diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure and heart attack, stroke, and lower limb amputation. In 2016, World Health Organization recorded diabetes as number 6. In 2016, an estimate of 1.6 million deaths were directly caused by diabetes and another 2.2 deaths were attributed to high blood glucose level, and almost half of all deaths attributed to high blood glucose occur at age 70. Diabetes can be treated and its consequences avoided or delayed with diet. World Health Organization defined diabetes, which we've done earlier on the PowerPoint, and they also discussed type 1 diabetes, which is previously known as insulin dependent or juvenile, and type 2 diabetes as non-insulin dependent or adult onset, and gestational diabetes commonly seen in pregnant women. Common consequences of diabetes are nerve damage, which can cause diabetic neuropathy, heart attacks and strokes, diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness, and kidney failure, which can cause kidney disease. Burdens. The burdens of diabetes can be reduced by achieving and maintaining healthy body weight, be physically active, eat healthy diet, and avoiding saturated and sugar intake, and also tobacco use. The diagnosis. Type 1 diagnosis and treatment. Type 1 diabetes mellitus can be treated with insulin, while type 2 diabetes can be treated with oral medication as well as insulin, and also the gestational diabetes can be treated with insulin. World Health response on diabetes is to provide scientific guidelines for the prevention of major diseases like diabetes, develops norms and standards for diabetic diagnosis and care, builds awareness on the global epidemic of diabetes, marking world Diabetes Day, November 14, and conduct a surveillance of diabetes and its risk factors. I'm going to take you to the flyer I created that's going to give us an overview of the diabetes mellitus. Diabetes is on the rise. About 422 million adults have diabetes worldwide, and 1.5 million deaths has been caused by diabetes. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 and gestational diabetes, which is temporary condition in pregnancy. Consequences of diabetes. Diabetes can affect several organs, which is the brain, called stroke, the eyes, blindness, the heart can cause heart attack, kidney failure, it can affect the disease, and the amputation of the limb if not well managed or if medication administration is not adhered to. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.